Hello, I am Professor Golok Biharinanda of IIT Kharagpur, Rawat Center. I came across Dr. Anirban Sengupta in 2011 when he came to IIT Kharagpur for delivering a lecture on the biomedical applications of polymers in orofacial and maxillofacial surgery. Since then, I have been interacting with him, and he has shown his interest for doing more work or using our developed work in his field. So I was also very much interested that whatever research we do should be applied in practical life for the benefit of the society and mankind. So I have been interacting, and since Dr. Sengupta is a very good maxillofacial surgeon, I was very much impressed by seeing his work, not only through YouTube but also in his chamber. A number of cases he has dealt with, and he has successfully operated those cases, and it was very good. Actually, I appreciated his work, and he is very much enthusiastic to do more work and to learn more and more on different new materials that are developed at IIT Kharagpur. So in this way our intimacy grew, and I had certain problems which I did not mention him, but once I was sitting in front of him and taking some food, normal food or lunch, all of a sudden I found that one of my tooth made a thick sound and started vibrating. Then I asked Dr. Sengupta that what is this actually, this tooth is vibrating, what to do? Then he said that you have to remove this. Then he asked me why this tooth is vibrating, what happened to that one? And I told him that this tooth was earlier paining, and I went to the doctor in IIT. Then she suggested that you should go for root canal treatment. I did according to her suggestion and advice. I did root canal treatment of number one upper teeth, upper jaw teeth. And after complete the root canal treatment, then she told me that unless you go for capping, then there is no point in doing RCT. It will be falling down sometime. Then I told her, okay, I asked him that how to do and where to do it. Then she asked me that you come to my clinic and I'll do it. So after that I went to her clinic, and she made a capping on that particular number one upper jaw teeth. And I was very happy that okay, fine, it has been done. Then after a year or so, when I was sitting in front of Dr. Sengupta, then it started vibrating. Then it has to be removed. And Dr. Sengupta did a marvelous job because he removed that teeth without any pain on me. I asked him that how did you do it without any pain? Then he said that this is the laser technique I use, that's why there is no pain in it. I was very much impressed by that. Then he has shown me other cases, whatever he has dealt with, not only on the dental problems, but also on the maxillofacial issues. Many cases I have seen, and he has sent me the video also, and I saw them. So I was very much impressed. Then I said, okay, if you have done that one, then why don't you do my treatment? Then he said, yes, I'll do it. Then he gave me a time, then I came. Then he said that you have to go for X-ray. I said, okay, please write down. Then he suggested me to go for CBCT, cone beam technique, and then I did the CBCT, and then these are the results. So he told me that the number one tooth had a tooth has a cyst, and number 4 also has a cyst. So you have to undergo operation. Then I went for an operation in a nursery. I'm very sorry, in a nursing home, and I found that the cyst were there on the number 4 teeth, and number 4 teeth has to be removed under laser technique. I didn't feel any pain. The cyst was biopsy of that cyst was taken, and it was found that it was a cyst, so it should be removed. That has been removed. and number one tooth cyst also have been removed. Number one tooth, we find that in number one tooth there was more, the acidity was little bit in excess. It has gone in deep inside the root actually, which is not advisable. It, deep inside the root, which was harmful in fact. Since it has been already done, then I asked him that, okay, it has been already done, please do whatever is possible now. Then he asked me to come again for another sitting. I went for another sitting. Then he said that you have to cap a number more teeth because of the prescription whatever he has given. It's a basically digital prescription he has given, and this prescription says that you should have overjet of overjet and overjet of 2 millimeter and overlap of 2 millimeter, which I don't have between my two jaws. So then he suggested that you should replace nearly 20 units, nearly 14 units on the upper jaw and 6 units on the lower jaw. I told him, okay, if it is necessary, then please do it. No problem. So then he gave me another sitting, and he gave. Then he took the photograph, and it looks.
This is the previous facial profile and teeth profile, Professor Dr. G.B. Nando of IIT Kharagpur. Attrition, abrasion, erosion, all are there inside the tooth. Indicate.
PG photograph is there. It is not here. So after the CBCT, then I came again to him, and then he took a mold. He took the inside. He wanted to have the inside picture of the jaws, upper and lower jaw, and with some silicone material, he has inserted them inside my mouth. Then he has taken he has molded my teeth, molded in the sense that he has taken the shape of the teeth, and then which he analyzed later on and found that a few units to be replaced. That is, on upper jaw around 14 units to be replaced and lower jaw around 6 units to be replaced. I told him, okay, please go ahead with that one. Then he made ready those teeth with the help of a vendor, and who made it from titanium and zirconium alloy. And he asked me to come again for treatment. So I again came to him for this treatment. Next time, what he did is that he replaced all these 14 units on the upper jaw, and it was okay. It was finally done, which can be seen now. And for the lower units, he asked me to come again another day. I came, and the lower jaw teeth were ready. And after that, I felt very comfortable. Feeling now also very comfortable. Then and looks as if the original teeth are there in my mouth. So I feel very happy, and I am grateful to Dr. Anirban Sengupta for doing the service to me. I have taken chow mein today after the lower teeth were replaced, and I didn't feel any difficulty in taking food. Look has been changed significantly. I look younger than my age, whatever my age is. In fact, actually, I think this is the feeling I have, as well as many will say, because that I should not say, but it will be observed by other people who see me that you have good teeth and you look younger. So then, so this way it has been done, and I am really very happy. And I must thank Dr. Sargupta for doing the service to me. And I wish him all the best, and he should prosper. He will prosper in his life, because I found that he's very active. He walks from 9 o'clock in the morning till 10 o'clock, sometimes even 12 o'clock in the midnight. After doing his outdoor over here in the chamber, he goes for operation to other hospitals and clinics, where he operates up to 12 o'clock or even 1 a.m. in the morning. He's a very hardworking person, and he is very much interested for doing higher studies like doing PhD. And we hope that he will definitely in IIT Kharagpur and will succeed in his effort, in goal for getting a degree of Doctor of Philosophy in dental surgeon, and which will help the IIT definitely in utilizing their development in practical applications. That's what actually I believe. So I am also a practical man, because whatever we do, I feel that it should be applied for the benefit of the society. So with his effort, with his zeal, I think we should be able to succeed, and we will try for that. Thank you very much.
That's right.